Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another update and unboxing for you, and this is an update for this doesn't need introduction. This is Armaf Bucephalus number 11, or as I call it, horsehead. This is the horsehead. There are three of them. There are number 9, number 10 and number 11, and this is the one we're talking about today, which is the red bottle. And it came out 2020, and it's been around a couple of years. The only thing is, I heard, don't quote me on that, it's not 100%, but I heard it's been discontinued. I heard that Armaf are discontinuing some of their fragrances to streamline them. For example, right now they have something like 7 or 8 Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man or similar things to it in their lineup, and they are basically, they want to streamline them, cutting down to maybe 1 or 2. Anyway, so this is what I had. How much is truth, how much is not, I don't know. So that's why I went out and I bought it, and I am trying to update you with this because when I bought the first one 2 years ago, it was quite strong. I'm happy to say it is still quite strong, but it's not as strong as before. So this one, in terms of longevity, 6 to 8 hours on the skin. If you put it on t-shirt, it goes up to 8 to 10 hours. And in terms of projection, it's very good for the first 2 hours. Very loud, room filler, house filler, very big sillage, so it is quite good performer. In terms of price, this is, you can usually find it in the UK under £35, around the world around under $40. If you can find it anything less than that, just grab it because it is very good. So this one, it is one of those Creed Aventus wannabe or Creed Aventus copy or clone or inspired or whatever you want to call it. The only thing is, it's got its own twist to it again. So this one is almost 80 to 90% again Creed Aventus, plus 2 things that it gives it a little bit of distinction, and those 2 things are pink pepper plus the mandarin orange. So this is my nose, okay, because in the nose breakdown these 2 are not mentioned, but I can feel and smell mandarin orange and the pink pepper. They are quite present, they are quite big, and you can detect them definitely, especially from the beginning to the mid. So these 2 are quite dominant. The rest are Creed Aventus, as we all know, very fresh, very fruity, very citrusy in the beginning, and actually this one's got pineapple, which makes it very nice and juicy in the beginning. So the pineapple is quite big, the black currant is big, and also the floral aspect is big in this as well. You got rose, you got jasmine, you got the patchouli in here as well. So overall it's quite a complex fragrance, although it's trying to be as close as possible to Creed Aventus, but on its own is very pretty. I really enjoyed it. Yesterday I wore it and I was quite surprised because I couldn't remember it was this good before, you know. Okay, it was good, I remember that, but it wasn't I wasn't expecting it to be this good anyway. So overall, highly recommended. This one doesn't have age, any age can rock it. Very versatile to the max, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, work, casual, formal, anything. So complete versatility. It's one of those fragrances is actually very good for signature scent if you are looking for one to a similar genre. Very good, and I highly recommend it. If it's true and it's been discontinued, that means slowly it's going to get harder to find. So while it's out there, while it's on the reasonable side of the fragrances, on the prices, if you like it, go and get it. If you know it anyway and you want a backup bottle, go and get it as well. I think I'm going to get another bottle because I really enjoyed it so much. I thought, no, I need to get a backup bottle. So overall, very, very good. I highly recommend it if you like the things I described, and if you like Creed Aventis plus Mandarin Orange and Pink Pepper. These two are giving it a little bit of individual twist to it. Okay guys, so today's unboxing and first impression is another Armaf, surprise surprise, but this one is hopefully it's not a Creed Aventis clone anyway, and this is Derby Clubhouse and Ascot Eau de Perfume 100 ml. Very, very simple box. It's like a simple cardboard. Sorry about the noise. So this one, I was going to get it a few years ago. I think it came out in 2018 or somewhere around that, or 2017. And for some reason I never got it, and then about a few days ago I saw it on a website for a good price. I said no, I have to get it and see what's the smell like, because I remember somebody mentioned that this one is the way they describe it is basically is up my alley. I like these kind of fragrances. Anyway, so Armaf Clubhouse Derby, and this is Ascot. So there are few are in this line, Derby Club, Ascot. There are, I think it's 5 or 6 of them, so don't mix them up. They are quite different from each other. Anyway, so let's open the box. Okay, so the box is very simple, it's nothing to talk about, but the bottle is quite cute. I like the bottle, very nice. It's a very dark, is it black or is it brown? It's a dark brown, almost black. And it's got that shape which is like a house, which Derby Club's house, you know, as he says. And the cap is very, very heavy, it's metal. And the atomizer, let's go. Very, very good atomizer. Okay, so how is the Armaf, goodness, Armaf Derby Clubhouse and his Ascot Eau de Perfume 100 ml? Let's see, first sniff, first impression. Yes, 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 it is up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. So it's quite on the classic side right now. It's just opened up like barbershop-y 60s, 70s, 80s feel to it. Yeah, but that barbershop is changing a little bit now. So it is a little bit on the soapy side. It is a little bit on the barbershop side, yes, but it's got some other aspect to it which makes it quite distinctive, you know, different from those genres. So I can smell leather, I can smell something like a tobacco in here. I'm not sure if it's a tobacco accord in here, but it's got a leafy, earthy tone to it, plus that herbal tone as well. Yeah, herbal, leafy, little bit of tobacco feel to it, and also little bit of leathery feel. Wow. It reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger in it. But it's quite familiar. But overall, it's beautiful. At least for me, I'm a middle-aged man, and I love this kind of fragrances. So it's quite green, it's quite earthy, it's quite nutty in the meantime. Yeah, I'll get some nuttiness feel to it. Probably there's a tonka bean in here giving it that nutty feel plus a little bit of darkness. But overall, it's beautiful. Or at least for my taste, for my nose, okay? Yeah, but you need to like the things I described. So opens up with quite a barberry shop feel, quite a classic feel, and there's a little bit of on the soapy side, plus a little bit of citrus in there, but the citrus, they're not very big because there are so many layers in the background that they are pushing forward, that the citrus is just basically is getting is overpowered. Yeah, so herbal, earthy, tobacco, leafy, plus the leathery feel, and also there are some spices in there, some nutty feel, and there's some earthy feel as well. So overall, yes, I love it to bits. For first impression, yes, yes, yes. But I have to give you basically the update, longevity, development, things like that, and see how it goes. So, but for the first sniff, first impression, for the first time, I loving it. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, if you find it in any way or shape entertaining or valuable to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future uploads, share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel. I'll be very grateful. And if you know any of this, if you know any other Armaf or any other fragrances that other people should know about in terms of good value for money, they smell good and they last a decent amount of time, put it in the comment. This way other people will read it and it will be very nice of you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.